Welcome to our in-depth look at Prosper, the platform designed to help you earn passive income through cryptocurrency. Prosper offers a range of features that allow you to grow your crypto portfolio effortlessly. In this video, we will walk you through how to sign up, set up your account, and start making your crypto work for you. First, head to the Prosper website and sign up for an account. Once registered, you can link your crypto wallet to start investing. Prosper supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. By holding your assets on the platform, you can start earning passive income. The more you invest, the higher your earnings potential. You can check daily earnings and reinvest your profits to grow your portfolio even more. Now, before we get into how you can really maximize your earnings, did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Prosper platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Prosper and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. As you explore Prosper, you'll find various tools that help you track your investments and see your income grow over time. Prosper's user-friendly dashboard shows you a real-time snapshot of your portfolio, allowing you to make informed decisions. If you're looking to make your crypto assets work harder for you, Prosper is the perfect place to start. Don't forget to take advantage of the special offer for new users. Get started today by signing up through the link in the description below. And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more crypto-related content. Also, don't forget to like this video to let us know that you're interested in learning more about earning passive income with crypto.